and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. On 3rd October, the Salesian San Luis School in Merida celebrated its 75th anniversary with an exciting religious ceremony presided over by Archbishop Helisandro Terán, Metropolitan Archbishop of Merida. The educational institution, founded by Father Thomas Foronda in 1949, has been a pillar in the formation of generations of young people in Merida. During the Eucharist, Archbishop Terán stressed the importance of Catholic education in today's society and highlighted the school's commitment to the integral formation of its students. In the same way, he invited them to continue working to form competent and committed Christians in their community. The celebration was attended by former students, teachers, parents, religious and friends of the institute who gathered to thank for the 75 years of history and path of the school. The Don Bosco Young at Risk YAR Forum recently concluded its annual seminar 2024 on the theme Empowering Families and Communities Towards Caring for Children and Young at Risk. The two-day event, held from 3rd to 4th October at the Alpha Pastoral Center in Kochi, Kerala, brought together child welfare experts, policy makers and stakeholders to discuss innovative approaches to family-based care for vulnerable youth. The seminar commenced with a Holy Mass celebrated by Father Shalbin Kalancheri, Vice Provincial of Bangalore Province, setting a reflective tone for the event. Father Santiago Thomas, Provincial of Hyderabad, delivered the inaugural address, stressing the importance of family involvement in youth ministry. Dr. M.P. Anthony, a former Kerala State Commission for Protection of Child Rights member, gave the keynote address advocating for community partnerships and innovative approaches to child protection. A new chapter in the history of the Salesian Mission and the Blessed Michael Rua province of southern Italy was written on 5th and 6th October 2024 in Scutari, where the first assembly of the provincial delegation, including Albania, Kosovo and Montenegro, was held. The event brought together the 22 Salesians in these three Balkan countries from the Salesian works in Shillong, Lushenji, Pristina, Podgorica, Scutari and Tirana. The new delegation, as highlighted in the official documents of the Salesian congregation, aims to promote a harmonious development of Salesian work in the Balkans, coordinating and animating pastoral activities with a view to the future establishment of a vice province. Last Friday, 4th October 2024, a joint digital meeting was held between the members of the Pro-Beatification of Father Carlo Crespi, commissioned in Italy, the birthplace of the great missionary, and Ecuador, the adopted homeland of the Venerable Salesian. The event marked a significant moment in the commitment to support the process of beatification of the apostle to the poor, whose legacy has left a profound mark on various communities. The fundamental objective of this meeting was to unify efforts and strengthen collaboration to promote the recognition of the holiness of Father Crespi in various areas: pastoral, social, cultural and educational. In a world of increasingly pressing needs, Father Crespi's legacy becomes more relevant than ever and his figure rises to being a beacon of hope. During the discussion, valuable experiences were shared on the biographical publications related to the Venerable Father Crespi, 1891 to 1982. Last weekend, the Salesians of the San Luigi Institution of Ancona, belonging to the circumscription of central Italy, celebrated 125 years since the laying of the foundation stone. It was an event that filled the entire educational pastoral community and the entire citizenship of Ancona with energy, which was prepared by a three-day celebration and which found its climax in the visit of the Vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Martlogio, on Sunday 6th October. The celebration began with a whole series of activities that had already begun during the week under the banner of Games, the Salesian Olympics, and the presence of many sports and other associations in the area that wished to be part of the network of life set up by Sons of Don Bosco. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Monalisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.